Hey guys, good afternoon. Sorry about that, I had to move my keys around. It's been a long time since I made a video on YouTube. I know a couple of the neighbors' kids, shout out to you guys, wanted me to put a video up there because it's been so long. But I just wanted to send a video and put it up with my 10th Gen F150. So this is probably, Lord knows, probably the 20th truck I've owned. Bought this truck. I had a gentleman that wanted to buy my old square body Ford, and I sold it to him for the right price, and so I went and picked this up. Originally had a camper shell on it. Sold that for about 300 bucks to a guy that actually had the same matching truck, and then took that money and bought a toolbox and bought a brush guard. So I started out by saying that this truck is a 1998. It had 103,000 original miles on it when I bought it. A couple of things that I've done to it so far is, like I said, the Tractor Supply toolbox, which has actually been pretty excellent. I'll do a review on that. It's about $250. It came with a set of Michelins on it that were in really good shape, except for the fact they were 14 years old. So I bought a set of 305, I believe they're 7017s. Yeah, 305 7017 Kanati Mud Hogs, and got the set from Mavis Discount Tire. If you call those guys up, they give you a better price over the phone. They were about $800 is roughly what they cost, and they've been great so far. So a little oversized, had to do a little bit of trimming on the lower valance there, and they fit great. And then also, the truck came with mud flaps. I took those off because they were the hard plastic ones, and they look kind of like old man stuff. So I got a Westin brush guard for it. If you look at these online, they retail for about 750 bucks. I bought this one. Guy didn't know what it fit. It didn't come with the brackets on it. You can find brackets for them. So the brackets for 50 bucks, and got the brush guard for $100. So that was quite the bargain there. The other thing that this truck's got is when I got it, after putting the brush guard and the bigger tires on it, the ball joints started squealing on it. So this is a common problem with 97 to 03 Fords. The front ends always wear out on them. Right at 100,000 miles, it's almost like a guaranteed. If you're buying one with right at 100,000 or just under it, plan on doing ball joints. And if you're not going to pay for them, if you're going to have a shop do it, it's going to be about $1,500. I did these myself. The kit was about 105, 110 bucks. Took 2 or 3 days time. So replaced those. The whole front end's brand new on the truck. I got to take it up there and get it aligned. But other than that, everything's good. Truck's in really good shape. You know, so it's got some homemade window tint kit, and it didn't lay quite right. It's not my best work, but it'll do for now for being an old pickup truck. So I think it's legal, 32% tint. I'm going to eventually ceramic coat this truck. It's got some ceramic on the tailgate. You know, it's got its battle wounds and stuff like that. This is a great driver truck. I mean, if you go on eBay, you'll see some of these trucks, and they're going for about $15,000. And you know, usually they're the ones that you don't really want to drive around because they're in such good shape. But you know, typical problems with these trucks are the ball joints, the back glass leaks, which that's been fixed on this truck, and just a little bit of body rust. But you know, this truck has got running boards on it. We're up here in Pennsylvania, and so the rockers are in great shape. That's one of the reasons I bought the truck. That's because the rockers were not rotted out on it. So open it up. This was an XLT. And so it's got a really nice interior on the inside of it. So it's in really good shape. You can see the dash. I put about 1,000 miles on it. Runs good. You know, it's an old truck, so it actually just has a tape player in it. Of course, got my face mask, because I really don't like to wear. But yeah, it runs really good. But yeah, so I noticed that a lot of the guys are starting on YouTube, starting to do 10th Gen F150. So I found one in really good shape. The good part about these trucks is they're really good for the young guys because you can get into these trucks and you can level them yourself. It's really might cost you 60 bucks because then you got to go get it aligned. So the truck's got torsion bars underneath it, so you can get up there and crank them about 4 times, and the truck now sits level like this one has. And I've leveled this truck, so it's due for an alignment. But you know, with the newer trucks, you got to go put coilovers, or maybe that's not the right term for it, but you got to put spacers underneath it. You got to take half the front suspension apart, which is about $500–600 to have a shop do that. With these, just get up under it, crank it, it sits level, and it's only cost you $60 in alignment, and that's really if you really want to go out and do that. But I'll make a couple more videos of this truck. Typically what I do is I buy them, and you know, then I get rid of them after about, I don't know, typically about 6 months to a year, usually right around 6 months. You know, some come makes the right offer on it. But this one's had a lot of work done to it since I got it, so I may just try this one for a little bit. You know, it's got a new front end. It runs and drives great. The mileage is low, the rust is low, it's minimal. You know, once you put a ceramic coat on, the truck will shine up really, really nice. But shout out to the neighbors. But anyways, thank you. Y'all have a great day.